Hey everybody, Dave Cook with D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. As you know, aside from painting, we do a lot of beekeeping. So we actually had to do something that was really upsetting this week. We had a beehive. Actually, the 4 you see there, not that one, but those 4 were original. We got some Russian bees this year, trying something a little bit different, and they got really mad. They got really mad. They kept getting mad, and then I found out that middle hive, what's left of that one right there, that one, it didn't become Africanized, but it got really pissy. So we were trying different ways to calm them down, feeding them differently, checking the hive. We couldn't find out what it was. They got so bad from where the hive is, they'd chase us to where our patio door is. They'd be peeing on the window. They'd be so pissed. So it got to be, it wasn't fun anymore. And as soon as we walk out, they'd be stinging and attacking. So I'm not sure what the deal was with those, but all they know, they were really mad and we couldn't get anybody to calm them down. So after calling a couple beekeepers, we ended up having to kill one of our hives, which really upset me, but I don't know, it's not fun going to the backyard and you get attacked by bees all day. So after going, we went online to a couple different beekeeping sites and found out one of the easiest and greenest ways to kill bees is actually water and soap. So what we did was we got a garden sprayer that we use for wallpaper stripping, and we mixed it 1 gallon of water to 1 cup of Dawn dish soap, and we sprayed the bees with that. It killed them, and it killed them dead. It was fast too. It's really weird how it works. Apparently any insect will die from exposure to soap and water. So for the heck of it, we had a couple wasp nests. We had a Zach, who some of you met working in our house, did some work, got married. So we did a bonfire last night, and one of the chairs we had back there, that one, had a wasp nest under it. So same thing, we put that on there, killed them instantly. So if you got to kill insects, I want to say use soap and water so the pesticides don't come back to the beehive. But in the meantime, we still ended up with about 3 5-gallon buckets. 1 5-gallon bucket, 2 3.5-gallon buckets of honey from the bees. So they did really good. And those 4, we actually have now, we had killed the one. So that one there is a swarm from that hive. That one is a swarm for that hive. And then we had one we didn't catch. So 4 swarms out of that 1 beehive that now is gone. But I don't know, the Russians, they were just mean. Anyway, different story. But love to see how we can help you love the space you're in. Let's see how we can have you try out some of our honey, come out, get an estimate. Every job that we finish, we have little 1.5 ounce, 2 ounce jars. They're pretty cool jars. Everyone seems to like the honey. Love to try out some mid-spring honey, see how you like it. Got questions about honey? I can't answer many. Got questions about bees? I can help a little bit. If you have questions about painting wallpaper, however, I can hook you up. David Cook with D'Franco Painting Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.